deep within the blazing heart of the sun, far beyond what any human eye could ever witness. A moment is born, not a moment of sound, not a movement, but of pure energy. Here, at the sun's core, temperatures soar beyond 15 million degrees Celsius. Matter exists in a state so violent, so compressed, that atoms are stripped of their identities. Protons collide with protons, fusion ignites, and in that instant, light is created. A photon is born. It has no weight, no mass, no sense of time. It does not age, does not slow, does not hesitate. Yet its journey has already begun, and it is one of the longest and strangest journeys in the universe. Inside the sun, this newborn photon is trapped. Though light is the fastest thing that exists, the interior of the sun is a prison of plasma. Electrons and charged particles crowd every possible path. The photon moves only a microscopic distance before colliding with another particle, losing direction, changing energy, scattering again and again. What should take seconds takes thousands of years. Thousands. For tens of thousands of years, this single photon bounces endlessly through the sun's interior, a chaotic pinball game governed by physics beyond imagination. It moves forward, backward, sideways, never knowing direction, never knowing escape. The sun does not release its energy easily. It demands patience, endurance, persistence. And then, at last, the photon reaches a photosphere, the sun's visible surface. Here, the density drops. The prison walls fall away. Space opens. The photon escapes. At that precise instant, its long imprisonment ends, and the fastest sprint in the universe begins. The photon surges outward at the speed of light, approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. This is not just fast. This is the ultimate speed limit of reality itself. Nothing with mass can ever reach it. Nothing can exceed it. Light does not simply move through space. It defines space, time, and causality. There is no air here, no sound, no resistance. The vacuum of space stretches endlessly, cold and silent. The photon does not feel cold. It does not feel motion. To the photon, this journey is instantaneous. Time does not pass. But to us, watching from a small blue planet 150 million kilometers away, this journey will take exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 8 minutes. In those minutes, the Earth continues spinning. Continents drift a fraction of an inch. Heartbeats pass. Thoughts are formed. Lives change. If the sun were to vanish right now, Earth would continue bathing in sunlight for over 8 minutes, unaware that its star was gone. Day would remain day. Warmth would remain warmth. Only after those final photons arrived would darkness fall. The light racing outward crosses the orbits of Mercury and Venus, passes silent asteroids, sweeps past dust grains no larger than smoke. It does not slow. It does not turn. It moves straight and true, carried with the store of the sun as it was a moment ago. This is not sunlight as it is now. This is sunlight as it was 8 minutes ago. Every sunrise is history. Space is not empty, not truly. It is filled with fields, with forces, with invisible structures that shape reality itself. Gravity bends a photon's path ever so slightly. The fabric of space-time curves under the sun's immense mass, guiding the light outward like rails guiding a train. Solar wind streams alongside the photon, charged particles racing outward in all directions. Magnetic fields twist and stretch. Radiation pulses outward in every wavelength imaginable, from gamma rays to radio waves. Yet our photon remains unchanged. It does not decay. It does not tire. It does not lose speed. As it races toward Earth, it becomes part of something greater, a flood of photons pouring endlessly outward, forming the brilliant sphere of light that defines our days, our climates, our seasons, our lives. Without these photons, Earth would be a frozen, lifeless rock drifting through darkness. Without these photons, there will be no photosynthesis, no oceans, no weather, no warmth, no civilization. Light is not just illumination. It is survival, and it is arriving. Earth grows larger ahead, a pale blue swelling into a living world. Clouds swirl, oceans shimmer, ice caps gleam. The photon plunges toward the atmosphere at full speed. Here, the journey changes. The photon slams into Earth's upper atmosphere, colliding with molecules of nitrogen and oxygen. Some photons scatter, painting the sky blue. Others continue downward, piercing clouds, racing through open air, slipping between leaves and buildings and mountains. This photon reaches the surface. It strikes a grain of sand, or the surface of the ocean, or the lens of a telescope, or the retina of a human eye. In that instant, the journey ends. Energy becomes perception. A chemical reaction fires in retinal cells. Electrical signals race through neurons. The brain interprets light as brightness, color, warmth, meaning. A human sees the sun. They have just witnessed an event that began 8 minutes and 20 seconds ago, born deep inside a star, carried across a vacuum, delivered at the exact speed limit of the universe. They are seeing the past. This delay between cause and effect is not a flaw. It is fundamental. It is how the universe works. Every star we see is already old. Some are already dead. Their light still travels, still arrives, still shines in our night sky long after the star itself has vanished. When astronomers observe distant galaxies, they are looking billions of years into the past. When we look at the sun, we are seeing it as it was moments ago. Reality is layered in time. There is no true now in the universe. Light carries information, and information takes time to travel, even at the fastest speed possible. Nothing is instant across cosmic distances. This simple fact governs everything, from GPS satellites correcting for time delays, to spacecraft navigation, to our understanding of causality itself. The universe is not happening all at once. It is unfolding one photon at a time. Every morning, sunlight pours across Earth, silently completing billions upon billions of journeys that began long before we noticed them. We wake beneath a star that feeds us energy delayed by minutes, yet precise beyond comprehension. The warmth on your skin, the glow through a window, the light reflecting off a loved one's face, all began deep inside the sun, endured thousands of years of imprisonment, then raced across space to reach you. In less than 10 minutes, light bridges the distance between worlds. In less than 10 minutes, a star touches your life. This is not abstract physics. This is intimacy on a cosmic scale. The sun does not shine instantly. It sends messages. And every day, Earth listens. 8 minutes and 20 seconds later. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring the wonders of our universe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who love the stars too. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a journey through the cosmos. Keep looking up and stay curious.